Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is just going to be a short tutorial on how to use this app, Canva, asking us to use the app so that our designs all have the same dimension and we can get a good quality PDF download out of this site, right? And they won't have the different dimensions, okay? So I went to canva.com. I'm already in, but you can sign in with your email. From all of the different choices, please use the poster because it will give us the this shape, and we can add pages to this. So you can make this be 4 pages and then just make 1 submission, or you can make it 2 pages and make 2 submissions, okay? I can upload photos and put them in right there. I can use their photos and I can use their backgrounds. There's a lot of variety, and I think all of these things are free for us to use and copyright free. So I can just go ahead and choose a pretty background. You can't use one of the ones that is, you see this one's free, right? So they do want you to upgrade, of course, like all of the other apps. There's some great options for text. All you have to do is choose, like for your big heading, you can choose one of the banners and then just insert it and edit what it says. Okay, or let's take that out. You can go ahead, and use the text boxes. Also, there are text boxes above just the heading or the subheading or the small one, body text. So you can put your poem there. Let's take those out. There's a lot of elements that you can use. For example, and these are all royalty free also. There are some like little crude kids drawings, some stickers, some frames, and you also get a bunch of these captions that you can use. One thing that's fun with Canva is that you can take the image and you can feed it so that you can layer a lot of images together. You can get some really good effects by fading the images. Sometimes when you have many images on one page, stuff begins to shift around, like you don't like that. It makes it difficult for you because your stuff is all shifting around. So you can go ahead and lock stuff into position if you want, right? And then it won't move. And you can press unlock and move it. So we can also flip any way we want. We can crop, etc. And here's our lock feature. If we want that to stay like that, we can lock it. Then other things move around, and that one does not until you unlock it. Well, eventually it should unlock. Yeah, it should just open up. I don't know why it's not. Probably because I'm using the Screencast-O-Matic. So, yeah, anything you want, you put it in. You can feed it. You can duplicate it. Making several of them, right? And you can flip them around, you can crop them, and you can adjust with them various ways. Okay, so 4 pages, and they can be all one file, or you can make them into 2 files. And when you get done, you can go ahead and share, and you shouldn't actually have to type my name. You should be able to get a shareable link. Right, so like that's the best thing right there. Share a link to edit. Now you've copied that, and you can email that to me. You can paste that in an email, and I can get right to your design. So if there's something I don't like, I can edit it. Otherwise, it's set in stone. Like, for example, Miss Usher did the cover, and it's very beautiful. It says Arise Belize, but you know, there really should be a comma between Arise and Belize. And it's hard for me to put it in, right? But if I had used Canva from the very beginning, it would have been much easier because everything would be shareable. So I'm looking forward to what you all are able to create. And I think this is a great a great free app for us to use for the assignment. Okay.